the most juicy, the most flavorful chicken you will ever try in your life is right here on your screen, right here. And I have the recipe for you. This is out of this world. I'm talking slapping with flavor, okay? I'm letting you know right now. And I'm about to get into it and show you how it's done. We are not about to waste any more time, and we're gonna get right on into it. Let's get started. So you're gonna begin with these fresh ingredients listed on the screen. And of course, they will be listed in the description box as well. We have parsley, we have a head of garlic, onion, thyme, green onion, habanero pepper, red bell pepper. So we're gonna begin by just slicing these into more manageable pieces. These will all be put in the blender and blended up to make this yummy marinade. This marinade is very similar to something that's very near and dear to me because my nationality is Haitian. This is very similar to what we call épices. It's the green seasoning. It's not exactly the same. There's a little bit of variation, but it's very, very close, and it is very, very flavorful. So all I'm doing here is just cutting everything into just smaller pieces to make everything a little bit easier to blend up. And if you haven't already, hit your boy with a like on the video. Subscribe if you're new. Rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. And comment down below what you think so far about the video. I know that B-roll in the beginning had you drooling, because me just editing this video, it got me drooling too. It looks so good and tastes even better. So the habanero pepper, I'm only gonna end up using about half of it because it is a little bit of spicy. So yes, we are loading everything into our blender just like so. Once we have all our ingredients in there, we're gonna drop a little bit of oil and a splash of water to make sure everything blends up properly. And I have a question for you. I want you to drop your answer in the comments. Are you team dark meat or team white meat? Do you love your breasts and your wings? Or you're more like me where you like your drumsticks and your thighs? Let me know down in the comments. I can't rock with chicken breasts. I love wings, but I can't rock with chicken breasts. They tend to be on the dry side. So let me know your response. So here we have the oil going in. And like I said, we're gonna also add in just a splash of water. You could pretty much just eyeball it. We just want everything to blend up. You just need a little bit of moisture to do so. And you're gonna blend it up until you have a pretty smooth consistency. So this is what you're looking for once you have everything blended up. And we're gonna move on to our chicken. We have 4 beautiful leg quarters. Beautiful, 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 cleaned up, ready to rock and roll. We're gonna drop in about half a cup of our green seasoning. And we're gonna also season this up with a little bit of black pepper, some paprika, and a little bit of salt. Go ahead and get your hands dirty and mix everything together. Get your chicken well coated. Get that seasoning underneath the skin. Get it in every crevice, okay? You know, we are not stingy when it comes to seasoning. So go ham, go crazy, and make sure your chicken is well coated up. You know the motto? Drop it down in the comments, because I know I ain't gonna say, you already know what it is. Drop it in the comments. What's the motto? So I have my oven preheated about 350 degrees, and I'm just loading my chicken into a pan here, and we're gonna bake these bad boys uncovered for about 1 hour. And once that 1 hour is up, you're gonna have some yummy juice on the bottom of your pan. Take that juice and just baste your chicken with it. You know, take that juice, just grab a spoon, baste that chicken, sprinkle a little bit of fresh parsley, and my goodness, you are ready to bust down. Grab your finest china up out of the cabinet, because it's about that time. Hope you enjoyed today's video. I will see you on the next one. Deuces.